guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just about to head out right now because I need to go to Supply to pick up my ambush dunks. So yesterday I got the email saying that I won the raffle. Wait, I'm trying to find the email because obviously I need to show that to them when I pick it up. But I was so surprised that I won the raffle, and look at this. It's been such a long time since I've won a raffle from Supply. I think the last time I won one was for the undercover React Element 87, so that is quite a while ago. So I'm so excited that I got the ambush dunks because you guys know how much I've been wanting them. Have I said that? I think in my previous vlog I talked about it, but I just really wanted a pair, so I'm so happy that I won the raffle. So I'm gonna go pick them up. I will bring you guys along with me. I don't think I can vlog in the store, but we will see. So anyway, I need to stop rambling. We need to go now. So I'm close to Supply right now. I'm carrying so many things today, and there doesn't seem to be a line. Why would there be a line? Who's at Supply anyway? But I'm just going past Shortstop Donuts. You guys know how much I love their donuts, but we must not be distracted today. So I got my dunks. I'm super happy. You guys saw a little bit of the store. I don't think I was meant to film it, but I'm just so excited. So obviously I'll do an unboxing for you guys when I get home. But right now I need to meet my friend for breakfast. I actually have such a busy day today, so hopefully I can find some time to unbox it. I'm gonna take a little peek at it later when I have time. But anyway, let me go where I need to go. I hope I'm not running late. I hate being late, but it should be fine. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, guys. As you can see, it is the next day. I'm wearing a different top. I'm actually still in my pajama pants, but you guys can't see that. So I had such a hectic day yesterday, so I didn't have time to film an unboxing. So I'm gonna do it today, and I thought I'll show you guys the deep royal blue ambush dunks. And I'm just so happy that I have a pair, and I actually already wore this yesterday. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the photos that I posted, and I did like a little outfit thing. I was gonna say casual, okay, but you guys know that all my outfits are casual. So yeah, I posted a little outfit thing, and in that photo I'm wearing a ambush sweatshirt. My pants are from UNIQLO, and then I'm carrying my little Dior bag. I'll make sure to link everything down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, it was just a really simple kind of fit, and I was just so excited to finally have these in hand. And I also want to point out that they give you spare laces with this particular colorway. With the black and fuchsia pair here, they don't actually give you spare laces, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I don't think so. If you guys are interested, I think I've already done separate videos on these two, but today we're here to talk about the latest colorway for the ambush dunks. And if you guys didn't know, the co-founder of Ambush is Yoon, and I just love her so much. I just think she's super cool, and I love her creative direction with Ambush. And she also designs the jewelry line for the Dior men's collection, and I think overall she's just great. So anyway, these are the deep royal blue colorway, and I have to say, first impression wise, the shade of blue, or like the tone of blue, is a little bit different from what I was expecting. So I think I was kind of expecting more of a storm blue kind of color, and now that I have them in hand, they are definitely a little bit more, it's hard for me to describe, but hopefully it's translating on camera. It's a little bit more vibrant. So I'll show you guys the difference. I don't have a pair of like storm blue Jordan 1s, or even like the color blocking definitely reminded me of like the Fragment Jordan 1s, or even the upcoming Fragment Travis Scott 1s. Like I thought it would be that kind of a vibe, but I would say the blue is definitely a little bit more on the like deeper but more vibrant kind of side. Guys, I hope I'm making sense. If you guys have seen a pair in person, please let me know whether you feel the same. But I don't think that is a bad thing at all. It's just different from what I expected it to be. So this is a pair of the Royal Toe Jordan 1s. And you guys can see the shade of blue is a little bit different. And one of my friends was describing the color of this blue, and he said it kind of looks like, you know when you get a ballpoint pen in like a blue color, that kind of blue, and I feel like that's pretty much a spot on description of the color. But you know, I'm not mad at it. I feel like these are so beautiful and they look super great on feet. If you've seen my previous videos about the ambush dunks, you guys know that I love this silhouette. It has the same details as the previous two colorways, so you can see it has this sort of oversized swoosh in this rubberized texture, and it extends beyond the heel of the sneaker. I think that's a really cool detail, and the sneaker just looks really modern and really kind of avant-garde, I guess, in a way. And personally for me, I feel like these are super wearable. I wear my black and white pair all the time, and you guys can see that even though I've worn it quite a lot, the quality is definitely there. The leather is really nice and soft and flexible, and the new colorway definitely has that same quality of leather on the upper, and I really don't have anything bad to say about these sneakers. I just love them so much, and I'm so grateful that I managed to win a raffle at Supply. I really wasn't expecting it because it's been such a long time since I've won a raffle at Supply. So the retail price is 250 Australian dollars. And another thing I want to point out is the tongue tag. So here you can see that is the co-branding. You can also see that it has this exposed foam kind of deconstructed detail, just like the previous two colorways. And I think prior to the release, Yoon pointed out that there were some like fake images of fake pairs floating around, and those ones had a white tongue tag if I'm not mistaken. So the real pair has a blue tongue tag if you guys are, you know, interested. Wait, that doesn't even make any sense. Anyway, just in case you guys want to know. And then when you look at the back of the sneaker as well, there is this plastic heel counter that protrudes a little bit. I think it really balances out the silhouette of the sneaker because it does have these protruding swooshes. It does look a little bit bulkier around the ankle area, I would say. But for me, I've always worn these with like longer pants, so I don't think it looks weird at all. I think Yoon posted a photo of her wearing it with a dress, and I still think it looks really nice. And also with the midsole, you guys can see that it is in this nice cream color. You can definitely tell the difference when you look at the upper here. You can see it's a really nice bright white, whereas the midsole is a nice cream color. And I think overall the color combination is really nice. I highly recommend getting a pair. With the black and white one, I think the resale is quite high, and the fuchsia is probably the most affordable out of the three in terms of resale prices. But I have to say that the fuchsia is my least worn pair. Well, I just got this, so it doesn't really count, but I can foresee that I will definitely wear the blue pair and the black pair a lot more than these because it's just such a bright and bold colorway. And don't get me wrong, I think it is beautiful, but it's just not an everyday kind of color for me personally. And these, I'm just so happy with them. I got these in a men's 6.5. I would say they're true to size. I have the fuchsia pair in a size 6, which is my true to size, and they feel really good. But yeah, you guys know that I like my sneakers to be not that snug, so I got it in a 6.5 and they feel really good. And yeah, the laces as well, you guys can see it is in this like wax laces, which makes the sneaker feel a little bit more premium. I really love that about them. And just overall, the silhouette, the colorway, the quality, like everything is on point in my opinion, and I just can't see anything like wrong about these. I know some people are not huge fans of this silhouette, but personally for me, I really love them. And what else can I show you guys? With the insole, hopefully you can see it's a little bit dark. Let me undo the laces. But yeah, what do you guys think about the ambush dunks? I would love to know your thoughts in the comments below. I want to show you guys the insole, but this is probably the worst b-roll ever. It's just very dark, but it has a white insole and there is the Nike and ambush branding in a dark navy color. And yeah, I don't know what else I want to say about the sneakers, only because I've already done a review on the previous two and the details are the same. It's just a new colorway and I would say you just need a pair. I highly recommend them. If you don't already have a pair of the ambush dunks, I feel like you can definitely go for these because you just can't go wrong there. I think it is such a nice release, and yeah, I'm always excited when Ambush does a collab with Nike, so I'm looking forward to seeing what they have in the future. If you guys follow Yoon on Instagram, you would have seen earlier this year, she teased us with this photo of the Ambush dunks, but in a Chicago kind of colorway. I don't think that's ever releasing. I think she did mention that, but that would be wild if that actually came into production. Like, I feel like that would be impossible to get, and I don't know, I just have no words, like, you know, because I already like all of this, I just would not be able to handle it if they actually dropped it in a Chicago colorway. But as of now, I don't think these will be releasing in any new colorways, who knows. But for now, I'm really happy with all three colorways. And yeah, guys, I hope this video wasn't too rambly or like random. And hopefully the b-roll was okay. It's a bit of a rushed video, so I hope you guys don't mind. It's a bit more casual, a bit different from my usual like unboxings, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. And I also hope that you guys managed to cop a pair if you were trying to cop a pair. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye!